Look at my cucumbers have sprouted up already. Gonna put my green beans, yellow wax beans. Over on this side I have my cucumbers back. Got some Market More cucumbers and my National Pickling cucumbers gonna be over here. I have my green beans back over on this side. So let me get busy sowing these seeds. Okay, I have all my seeds sowed over here, my green beans and my yellow wax beans and my cucumbers over here. I have my trellises that I rigged up here that's the cucumbers are gonna grow on. Okay, cucumbers and green beans. Now come on and grow now. Look at my cucumbers have sprouted up already. I have a lot of them that have germinated. That is good. Okay, come on cucumbers. Come on and grow a lot for us. Don't see too many of my green beans and yellow wax beans sprouted up yet. See a few little ones that I see them germinated there. Come on green beans. Come on cucumbers. Y'all looking good already. Look at my avocado tree growing here. Another one growing. Okay, come on avocado. Got some beautiful leaves on you. Come on and get bigger and bigger and grow some nice avocados for us. A little avocado over here. I see maybe some birds have come and eaten on some of the blooms that came out and sprouted out. Don't look like I see too many still around. Y'all hang in here. Come on and grow us something. I want the birds to just eat y'all up here. Come on now. Grow us some avocados now. Come on. Come on, avocado tree. And look at my mango. Got some nice leaves coming out on it. Come on, mango. Grow for us. Look at my nice, beautiful kale over here looking beautiful. Growing nice and big. I need to harvest some of your leaves. Looking beautiful. Great. Alongside my collard greens still growing beautiful. Come on, kale. Continue to grow big for us. I see a lot of my pomegranate are blooming here, but I don't know how many female I have. Look like they all are male flowers. I need to get some female flowers here that's gonna fruit for me. Come on now. Have a lot of blooms on here. Come on, pomegranate. Look at my lemons. They coming out. Okay, lemons. I think I had counted about 22 that I see sprouting up. You know, nice and green right now. Come on and get bigger for us. Let's see. I see some little blooms, more blooms coming there. Okay, come on. Let's Some more right there. Okay, lemon. Look at you. I see you. Okay, come on, lemon. Come on, lemons. Grow for us. Grow nice and big for us. I hope ain't no birds or anything came over here and started eating up on my lemons that I had counted, that I saw blooming real good. Come on, Maya lemon. Grow nice and big for us. Have some nice, beautiful lettuce growing here. I think this is my butter crunch lettuce. I'm gonna have to harvest these leaves here before it bolt and go to seed. Okay, it looks nice.